Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and today in this video I am going to be doing the unboxing and we shall have a first look at our new iPhone 11 in white color. This is the 64GB variant and I got it for 35,000. First, let me clear out the points about how did I get it for 35,000. I had an old OnePlus 6 smartphone lying around and I sold it on Cashify for 11,500 rupees. And also, I bought this iPhone 11 from the Amazon Great Indian Festival for 47,999, and I got the bank discount of 1,500 rupees, so it came down to 46,000, and hence I got it for 35,000 rupees, the iPhone 11. Inside the box package, we get the usual documentation, the SIM ejector tool, the Apple stickers, and few quick start guide and other things as such. And also, we get this 5-watt adapter, which is the charging adapter, which is basically useless. And also, we have this lightning-based earphones. The wire quality of these earphones is extremely brittle and of low quality. And also we get the USB type A to the lightning based charging cable, and also this is useful for the data transfer to your computer as well. Quality of this cable too is very brittle. And also, this is the phone. There is only one protective film that is present on the front surface. This phone has the glass front and glass back and aluminum sides, and it is extremely compact to hold in the hand. It is pretty good when we are in the era of large screen smartphones, and the haptics are extremely fantastic. Let me quickly give you a configuration overview of this smartphone. The overall weight of this phone is 194 grams. It has 8.3mm of thickness. It has aluminum 7000 series that is on the side. It has IP68 water and dust resistance. The wireless charging is present. A 6.1 inches IPS LCD retina display with a resolution of 1792 x 828. It has true tone wide color gamut, and it comes with Apple's A13 Bionic chipset, which is a 7nm chipset. And out of the box, it comes with iOS 13, and the iOS 14 update was available right out of the box. And also, the device will get the updates until 2024, because Apple will give updates for 5 years to their smartphones. Let me go to the settings and show you guys that this phone was running on iOS 13 out of the box, and when I go to general and when I go to the about phone, we will actually get the iOS 14 update that is available. The total update size is around 2.76 GB, and the time that it took with my data connection was around 2 hours to download and install and restart and everything else. Now let me go to the storage and show you guys that around 14 GB of the space will already be used, and around 50 GB of the space will be available for you to actually download your apps and keep your photos and many other things as such. This device has a dual camera setup with a 12 megapixel f1.8 sensor and a 12 megapixel f2.4 sensor, and the second camera is a wide angle camera, and the front also is a 12 megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture, and 4K video recording is supported on all cameras, which is a fantastic thing. And also, this device has the notch in the front, which is helpful for the Face ID. With our testing, the Face ID was working fine in indoor conditions where we'll not have masks, but in outdoor, when we'll having masks such as N95 mask or gas masks, Face ID was not working. And as I said earlier, for creative professionals, this phone actually needs a 128GB storage, which is available in this year's Pro models, that is the 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max models. But this year too, 12 mini and 12 comes with a 64GB of base storage, which is not actually enough for creative professionals. The storage type on the device is NVMe based storage of 64GB for extremely fast read and write speeds. The device is a dual SIM based smartphone with one physical SIM and one eSIM support. The eSIM is supported with Airtel, Jio and Vi, but the physical SIM supports almost any other SIM that is available in the market. The device has rounded edges, unlike this year's iPhone 12, which has sharp edges and feels boxy. I feel the last year's iPhone are best in terms of value for money because of the support of software for at least upcoming 4 years. And hence, iPhone 11 at 35k is a crazy deal in my opinion. The device sold in huge numbers in the last 1 year because of the fact it has a superb brand value. Now let's go back to the cameras and check out whether it has great cameras for the next years to come. The device has OIS support on all 3 cameras with fantastic color signs in recording of videos and also in photo capturing. It supports stereo-based audio recording on the rear cameras. It allows 4K 60 FPS based video recording, 4K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, 1080p 30 FPS video recording, and also supports the extended dynamic range, that is the XDR based recording of videos. Now what we'll do is we'll just check out a few camera samples, and we have reserved our judgment for our full review. And also we have the LG G8 X with us, and we are going to compare the cameras of the LG G8 X and also the iPhone 11 in the upcoming videos. If you want to watch those kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel right away. Now let's go ahead and check out the camera samples. The device actually gives extremely natural and beautiful colors in outdoors. The sharpness of the photos are slightly on the higher side. When it comes to the skin tones, it produces normal iPhone-y based skin tones which looks a little bit warmer, and in portrait mode the edge detection is slight hit and miss. Apart from that, everything else in terms of photo quality and also in terms of video quality looks flagship levels. Now let's come to the software part where the iPhone 11 shines its best. The device has iOS 14.1 up and running after the update, and finally my device has Google's video playback codec support, and hence it is supporting to play the 4K videos on YouTube. Even though the screen is 720p, there is a sense of satisfaction in watching 4K videos on YouTube on this screen. The screen colors are awesome. It is flat colors and not punchy or something, and it is not having deep blacks of AMOLED display, but still it looks extremely natural and pleasing to the eye. The True Tone is available, guys, but for my preference I generally do not enable True Tone because it makes screen a little bit warmer, and actually it keeps adjusting to based on the color conditions and also based on the environment, and hence it actually varies from time to time, which I do not like, and hence I turned off True Tone on my device. There is playback support up to 4K on my device, guys, and I do not know whether this 4K support is present on all devices or not. Now let's talk about the sound quality, that is the sound quality or the sound output that comes out of this device. The iPhone 11 has support for stereo speaker setup, one at the bottom and one in the earpiece. The sound distribution is perfect on both speakers. Both sound equally loud. There is spatial audio support, and also Dolby Atmos is also supported in this phone, which makes the sound quality richer and superior. Now let's go ahead and hear or listen to some music on our iPhone 11's speakers, and I've actually recorded this part of the clip using my Boya mic so that it directly records in higher sound quality. And there are a few features of the Apple ecosystem which makes things feel little great, which makes you feel like I want every other device in the Apple ecosystem, such as the ability to take calls which comes to your smartphone on your iPad or on your Mac. You can even switch the audio of the call to the respective devices, which needs to be signed in using the same Apple ID, by the way. Here is a quick demonstration of a call that I have got on my iPhone, which I am actually receiving on my iPad. The same process can be done on a Mac as well, and also the same messages that comes to iMessages can be seen on your iPad or on your MacBook as well. And there is that iOS 14's small dot, which is the orange dot which says voice is being recorded, green dot which says the video is being recorded.
Hey Siri. What's the weather in Bangalore?
It's currently clear and 23 degrees. Expect mostly clear skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 23 degrees to 21 tonight.
iMessage is also another superb app that is restricted to Apple ecosystem for sending the messages to your friends and family who are on other Apple devices seamlessly. It works with only Apple to Apple devices, by the way. It's sometimes better than WhatsApp in my opinion. There are also other subtle features such as decrease volume when picked up the phone feature, which also makes this phone look and feel great. These 1% of small improvements such as extremely amazing haptic feedback, great vibration motors, great sound quality are things which makes this phone great. So guys, that's it for this very quick unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 11. I've also had the LG G8X Think with me, and also we are bringing many more videos on the LG G8X as well. If you want to see more videos on LG G8X and iPhone 11 in the upcoming days, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching guys.